Hi everyone, I am Soul for Hobby and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a Jamaican bracelet bracelet. The only colors you will need are some black pony beads, some lime green pony beads, and bright yellow pony beads. And today I came up with this cute little pattern by following somebody else's pattern to improve on the work. And this is what it, as a result, I'm going to sell these on my eBay page, so just stay tuned for that announcement. It'll be posted later on. That's how many I have so far. We need to make a dozen. So let's get started. Of course, you're going to need some string and a good pair of scissors. I'm using my trusty old bracelet maker. If you haven't invested, I would highly recommend you getting this one. This is the best tool you'll get. Because this is, if you add more beads, it's 7.5 inches. If you just stick to this, it's just 7 inches. This is what we do. Take 2 black beads, put it down, take next to green, put it down, and then yellow. That's the pattern. Do you see that? You need to go all the way around and add in one more to fit adult wrist. So go 2 black, 2 green, 2 yellow, 2 black, 2 green, 2 yellow. Two black, 2 green, 2 yellow. Since my wrist is about maybe 7.5, we'll go one more up. Get 2 black, 2 green, 2 yellow. So in order, cut your string about arm's length. Give yourself enough string to cut in case if the knots get too frail. And this is what we do. Put the black one on first. And then that's all you do. Put black first, green second, yellow third. If you mess up, take it out and try it again. And then scoot it down. So on here, pick up the 2 black. String it on. You see that hole right here? All we're doing is just stringing it. That's all jewelry is. It's holding on to a nice, strong, stretchy, powerful string. I better pay attention to what I'm doing. I apologize for going off the camera, but at least you can hear the sound of my voice to follow along. You can use any pony bead colors you like. This is a beginner-friendly project. When you have enough, scoot it down. Make sure you have something heavy on the end to hold the string in place. I just like to do mine on the floor because the beads go flying. I used to do it on the bed or the desk, but I still, it just, it flies everywhere. So this is a Thursday morning, and I'm making some bracelets. What are you guys doing today? Going to school, learning anything? I hope you guys do. Have a good day at school, and I hope you guys learned something. Black, green, and yellow. If you will like my pattern, you can use this pattern to sell at your craft fair. Just make sure you tell people where you got it from. Scoot it down. Okay, this is what we do. We lined up the bracelet. Get it so it looks like this. It will fit, don't worry. It may look small, but in reality, it will fit. This is what it looks like. Take your string, about maybe, this is the end, line it up as neatly as you can, maybe about 2 inches, cut it off, and then tie your knot 4 times. If you don't want the knot showing, this is a trick. Make an X, go under like your shoelace, go at an angle. I find if you go at an angle, it hides the knot easier. Do the same thing for the first. Then squeeze it way down, pull tight, not too tight to break it. Do the same thing for number 2, number 3, and one more for luck. And it hides the knot. See that trick? Okay, this is what you're gonna do. Take your scissors and as closely as possible, you see that end right there? Cut it. Don't be afraid to cut it. Have your parents or have somebody help you cut the end so you get comfortable with it. Practice makes perfect. Do the same thing to the other side. As close as you can. Oh, I have an air filter on if you hear something weird in the background noise. It's just my air filter. I get sick a lot, so that's why sometimes I don't come on. But I'm trying to post videos 2 to 3 times a month, so I'm not spamming you guys. And I hope you come visit me on the eBay page, and I hope you come visit me on my blog and to get going. If you're interested in learning about making other types of jewelry or other items, check out my other videos on my main page. You might find them amusing or entertainment. Anyway, this is what we made today. It was a Jamaican rosin bracelet. You first put the black on, the green on, the yellow. Black, green, yellow. See, we're only alternating, but we're doing it too because it looks like a pretty pattern. And I think it would be okay for anybody to wear, men or women. So mostly men will wear it, but I don't know. We'll see who likes it. And I do apologize about the floor, but this is how I work. I hope you give it a thumbs up anyway. If you like the video, give me a good thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed today's video, so see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.